Hi, Vicky Schettini here. I am so excited. I am coming to see you guys in Texas, Dallas, Texas. I'm going to put all the information down below, but first, I'm going to talk about the arts of negotiation. This is where I show you what I did. Just to let you know, 5 years ago, life happened. I was having the empty nest syndrome, and I literally moved across country to be closer to my daughter. Life happened, and I ended up homeless. I literally was living in the back of my car. Number one thing I had to do, change my mindset. Even though life happened to me, I had to change my mindset. Number two, I had to get creative. I did not have any money. Honestly, I had $478. I tell everybody it was $500, but really it was $478. $478, and I'm asking sellers, by the way, will you own or finance me your home? I don't have any money. Oh, I don't have any credit because I have a bankruptcy, and I also have a foreclosure on my record. And I'm new to this town. I don't know anyone. I don't even have a job. How did I do it? First 20 deals I got with owner financing, I literally just had to get creative. That's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about how did I do it? How did I go from 0 5 years ago and now at over 100 properties? I'm going to show you, and I did it in 2 years. How did I get 5 apartment complexes? Come and see me. Plus, also on Saturday, look at the dates below, I'm doing the workshop, giving you the blueprints to wrap around mortgages. This is where I made $250,000 after 7 investors passed out on it. That's right, 7. So if you want to come and learn how to do it, I am all about being creative. And I'm out here teaching those of you who have what it takes, who have the right mindset. If that's you, just come and see me. Let's build your legacy. I have all the information down below, but I cannot wait to see you and have the greatest holidays ever. Let's do it next year. Bye.